In the bustling world of project management, where countless tools promise to streamline workflows and boost productivity, it's easy to get lost in the sea of options. Nifty is one such platform that aims to cut through the noise by offering an all-in-one workspace. But what exactly is the role of Nifty in the grand scheme of project management, and what unique responsibilities does it shoulder for teams? As a project management expert, I see Nifty as more than just a task manager. It's designed to be a holistic environment that centralizes various aspects of project delivery, moving beyond simple task lists to encompass communication, documentation, and client management. Its role is to bridge the gaps that often exist when teams rely on disparate tools for different functions, aiming to create a seamless, integrated experience from project inception to completion. Let's dissect the primary roles and responsibilities that Nifty takes on for modern teams. 1. The project hub and orchestrator. At its core, Nifty's most fundamental role is to act as the central command center for all your projects. It's designed to be the single source of truth, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Project planning and structuring. Nifty is responsible for providing intuitive tools to define project scope, break down complex initiatives into manageable tasks, and set clear milestones. It offers various views, Kanban, list, timeline/Gantt, calendar, to suit different planning styles and project types, making it adaptable to various methodologies like Agile, Waterfall, or hybrid approaches. Task management and assignment. It plays a crucial role in ensuring that every task has a clear owner, a specific deadline, and relevant context. This minimizes confusion and ensures accountability. Team members can easily track their assigned tasks, update progress, and mark completion, providing real-time status updates. Progress monitoring and reporting. Nifty takes on the responsibility of offering transparent, real-time insights into project progress. Its dashboards and reporting features help project managers quickly assess the health of a project, identify potential roadblocks, and understand where resources are being allocated. This insight is vital for proactive decision-making and keeping projects on track. 2. The communication and collaboration facilitator. Effective communication is the lifeblood of any successful project. Nifty's role here is to eliminate communication silos and foster seamless team interaction. Centralized communication. Instead of scattered email threads, chat messages, and informal conversations, Nifty provides dedicated discussion forums within each project. This ensures all project-related communication, decisions, and feedback are documented and easily searchable, creating an auditable trail. Document and file management. It acts as a central repository for all project-related documents, files, and assets. This eliminates the need for external cloud storage solutions for project files, ensuring everyone has access to the latest versions and that critical documents are linked directly to relevant tasks or discussions. Version control is also often a responsibility Nifty handles, preventing confusion. Real-time interaction. Nifty often includes direct messaging features or integrations with communication tools, allowing for quick questions and answers without leaving the project environment. This responsiveness is key for agile teams. 3. The client engagement and transparency provider. For agencies, consultants, and service-based businesses, client interaction is paramount. Nifty takes on a significant role in enhancing client relationships and providing transparency. Client portals and guest access. One of Nifty's standout responsibilities is enabling controlled external collaboration. It allows you to invite clients as guests to specific projects or tasks, providing them with a secure portal to view progress, share feedback, and approve deliverables. This fosters trust and reduces the need for constant status updates via email. Feedback and approval workflows. Nifty can streamline the client feedback and approval process, particularly for creative assets or documents. Clients can directly comment on files, make annotations, and provide approvals within the platform, making the review cycle more efficient and less prone to misinterpretation. Shared roadmaps and milestones. By allowing clients visibility into project roadmaps and key milestones, Nifty helps manage client expectations and keeps them informed about the project's trajectory. 4. The resource and time management aid. While not a full-fledged HR system, Nifty plays a crucial role in managing the most valuable project resource, your team's time and capacity. Time tracking. Nifty is responsible for facilitating accurate time tracking, allowing team members to log hours spent on specific tasks. This data is critical for billing clients, if applicable, analyzing project profitability, and understanding actual effort versus estimates. Workload overview. It helps project managers visualize team workloads, identifying who might be overloaded and who has available capacity. This enables more balanced task distribution and prevents burnout. Budgeting basic. While not a full accounting system, Nifty can help with basic project budgeting by tracking estimated versus actual time and expenses linked to tasks, providing a high-level view of financial health. 5. The workflow streamliner and automator. In an increasingly busy world, efficiency through automation is a key responsibility that Nifty embraces. Custom workflows. Nifty allows teams to design custom workflows for tasks and projects, ensuring that work moves through defined stages, e.g., to do, in review, approved, done. This standardizes processes and reduces manual oversight. Task automation, basic. While not as extensive as dedicated automation platforms, Nifty often provides basic automation rules, such as automatically assigning tasks based on criteria or sending notifications when a status changes. This saves time on repetitive administrative actions. In conclusion, Nifty's role in the modern workspace. Nifty's role is to act as a comprehensive, integrated solution that moves beyond singular project management to encompass a wider range of business operational needs. It aims to reduce reliance on multiple disparate tools by bringing together task management, communication, document sharing, client collaboration, and basic resource/time tracking under one roof. For project managers, Nifty's responsibilities translate into enhanced visibility, a clear, real-time overview of all projects and tasks, improved collaboration, seamless communication and information sharing within teams and with clients, streamlined workflows, consistent processes that lead to greater efficiency, better client relationships, increased transparency and more efficient feedback loops, data-driven decisions, access to insights on project progress, time usage, and profitability. While no single tool is a magic bullet, Nifty's integrated approach positions it as a powerful ally for professional service firms and teams seeking to manage projects, foster collaboration, and engage clients more effectively, all within a unified digital workspace. Its role is to simplify complexity, allowing teams to focus more on delivering exceptional results and less on juggling multiple applications.